Hey all food lovers and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll be demonstrating a popular Goan recipe called Ambot Tik. Ambot means sour and Tik means spicy. So I'll be using baby shark fish in this recipe, but you can also use catfish, mackerels, prawns or sardines. This dish is easily available in any good seafood restaurant in Goa, but you can't go to a restaurant every time, isn't it? It can be expensive. So let's see how you can prepare delicious Ambot Tik at home.
Grind all the ingredients listed for masala paste in a mixer with some water to prepare a thick and smooth paste. Transfer the masala paste to a bowl, rinse the mixer jar but reserve the masala water to be used. Remove the skin and cut the shark fish into thick pieces. Apply about half teaspoon of salt and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Heat a sufficiently deep vessel with refined oil till hot. Reduce the heat, add in the onions and saute till the onions turn lightly brown. Add the prepared masala paste and saute for a few minutes or till the rawness disappears. Add the reserved water to form a sufficiently thick gravy. Stir to blend in the masala paste. When the gravy comes to a boil, add in the fish slices which I had washed with water to get rid of excess salt. Add some dried kokum if you prefer. Stir gently and let it cook on a low flame till the fish is cooked and tender for around 4 to 5 minutes. Adjust salt and sugar to taste. At this point, taste the gravy to adjust sourness. You may add in some vinegar if you prefer or some more tamarind pulp. Let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Take it off the flame. Serve the shark fish ambot tik with steamed rice or Goan boiled rice or Goan pao or bread of your choice.
If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get all my latest updates. Thank you.